Online education may seem like something that is new, but in reality, it has existed before. How can something like ants be so important in your child's life? Students who are interested in arts display a higher amount of emotional intelligence, which helps them become more empathetic. Art is everywhere around you, and expressing one's emotion through art is one of the purest forms of expression. Arts is a subject that doesn't require any kind of physical contact for most of its forms. It comes from observing online spaces and connecting with different kinds of art. For children, art can be taught through digital painting and even by watching tutorials online that one can recreate later. There is always a personal touch when it comes to arts, so it is one of the best ways to encourage self-expression. Preschool online learning arts. Art in preschoolers can help sharpen their motor skills and understand cause and effect. Cause and effect is basically doing an action to get a reaction. Example, there is a very effective form of therapy called art therapy that works wonders with kids. Art education can help your child signal out any red flags that might be taking place in their lives. Older children and adults. It's never too late to dive into the world of arts. There are a plethora of online learning courses available to cater to everyone's interests. From drawing to painting to digital art. In the age of online learning, one can find so many online learning resources which are either free or paid. Art is also a great way to reconnect with oneself and release dopamine. It can also help in getting your child or even yourself to be more focused and increase concentration. In a therapeutic setting, art is used as a way to lessen anxiety and agitation in children and adults both. So what can we as parents do? Artists shape societies in many ways. Artists make people happy and practicing their art makes them happy. So let your child explore all the opportunities that are available to them. If they want to pick arts in their 11th grade, let them. As parents, getting detached from your child's dreams is important. Your child is yours, but at the same time, they are individuals with independent personalities and have hopes and dreams that are different from yours, and that's normal. Equip your little one to fly and watch them return on a rainbow.